We'll guide you through how to create a ChatGPT agent builder. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the OpenAI website. You'll need to log into your account, or create one if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, head over to the Developer section, usually found in the top navigation bar. Look for the AI Tools or API menu, and select the ChatGPT Agent Builder option. This will take you to the Setup page where you can start creating your agent. You may need to grant permissions or set up API access if it's your first time. From here, you'll see an interface that allows you to customize your agent's personality and responses. Start by entering a name for your agent, and then define its core functions and response style. You can use predefined templates to make this easier or go fully custom if you're feeling creative. Next, configure the agent's settings such as response delay, language, and any specific rules you want it to follow. Once you're satisfied with the setup, click the Deploy button to activate your agent. You'll receive an API key that you can use to integrate this agent into your applications or websites. To test your agent, you can use the built-in simulator on the same page. It lets you see how your agent will respond to different queries in real time. If you need to make adjustments, you can return to the setup page and tweak the settings as needed. Remember to save any changes before you exit. That's it. You've successfully created a ChatGPT agent builder. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.